Hi, I'm Richardson Hernandez. Papa-encash ko ngayon yung cheque ko for the whole month of September and October. 2 buwan, ito yung mga cheque ko. So, pakita ko sa iyo. So, ito September 4, 2014, 26,100 and 91,350. After 1 week, September 11, 89,100 and 7,200. After 1 week, September 18, 14,400 and 91,800. After 1 week, September 25, 9,900 and 91,800. After 1 week, October na, October 2, 2014, 84,600 and 9,900. After 1 week, October 9, 108,450 and 34,650. After 1 week, October 16, 108,000 and 60,700. After 1 week, October 23, 85,950 and 63,450. After 1 week, October 30, 99,000 and 32,400. For the whole month of September and October, ang total ko 100,000, 1,120,000. And may kasama pang gift certificate na 312,000. So ang total ko nito in just 2 months, ang total ko 1,432,000 in just 2 months. Almost 1.5 million. 2 buwan lang yan dito sa front row. Eto, nandito tayo ngayon sa Union Bank. Papa-encash natin to ngayon. So, antayin ninyo, magiging pera na to. Guys, nakuha ko na. Ito, kakapa-encash ko lang ng cheque ko. Ito yung total ng lahat. September tsaka October. Total niya 1,120,000. Plus, kasama yung GC, ang total nito 1,432,000. 2 buwan lang. So, ito yung pera. Hindi ko mabuhat sa sobrang dami. So, grabe, sobrang sarap mag front row. So, kung hindi ka pa front row ka na, sabayan mo kami. So, next month ulit.